First of all, you have to chop the coriander into small pieces so that you can put it inside the blender. Then do the same for garlic and ginger. Same thing goes for the onions. The onions, you don't have to chop them into small pieces. You can just do a 4x4. So what I've used here are 2 onions. Now I go in with paprika. One teaspoon is enough. Then turmeric, 1 teaspoon also. And if you like chili, you can do chili whatever quantity you would like. You'll blend this till you get a smooth paste and everything is blended together perfectly. So once you've achieved that, you want to now marinate your chicken with the blended ingredients. You can choose to mix by hand or with a spoon, whatever is comfortable for you. So once everything is incorporated, I would advise you let it marinate for like an hour before you begin cooking. I have a sufuria with oil. Those are bay leaves that I've put inside, and cloves and cumin. I want to fry them for a little bit so that they can give me that smell. So I've fried them for like 2 minutes, not very high heat because they might burn. So go in with your tomato puree. This is just blended tomato that has not been cooked yet. I've added a bit of soy sauce, maybe 1 tablespoon is enough for you. Then give it a good stir and let it cook for about 3 minutes. Then you're going to add your marinated chicken. If you can use a bigger sufuria, then that's better. So after you've gotten all the pieces, let it cook. Keep checking on it. You'll realize that it forms its own kind of stew because I haven't added any water. Give it a good mix. So you can cover it up until it cooks. Notice that the stew is very thick. You haven't added any water yet. There is that thick stew that you want, and that's your aim. Add in a bit of salt to your liking. After about 20 minutes, your chicken is ready to serve. Oh, and another hack, do not put too much oil at the beginning because broiler chicken is usually oily, so you don't want to have stew that is full of oil. So just put in a little because that's all you will need. So the chicken is ready to serve with its thick stew, and it has a mix of ingredients with a lot of good flavors. I'm sure you're going to enjoy. So you can have this with ugali. I had it with rice and a bit of greens. I hope you enjoy it. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to subscribe. I am 100% sure that if you will try this, you will not be disappointed. So the moment you try it, you let me know in the comment section. As you can see, it's a simple way of making chicken with thick stew, and it doesn't even cost you much, so you should try it. Thank you guys for watching. Do subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.